if we crash, we crash.
Don't say that.
Because I can't stop you.
Yeah, but
Exactly.
still. Right, come on, Stephanie.
Don't even
Who?
start.
Stephanie, you know,
You're
Donny
the
off
girl.
Lazy Town, pink hair.
Who's Stephanie?
Donny off
The
Lazy
pink
Town
hair
with the pink
girl.
hair.
What is up, guys? This is Erin. I am here with the nervous learner driver who's come down from Andover. Care of
Me, Aaron.
Aaron. You all remember Aaron, the BMW most inappropriate learner car.
Big X5.
Insert clip here.
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm sure.
Jeez, that is danger close. So here's the thing. Aaron thinks that he's the best driver in the world.
I am. This just happened. That's just how I am.
And Erin thinks that Aaron actually is quite dangerous, so you need to get a license so that you can drive this absolutely beautiful Audi A3 to keep you both safe on the road and
Yeah.
Aaron in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
What's the worst thing about Aaron's driving?
It's definitely like when he brakes and I'm just like... For no reason. I'll be drinking like a drink or something.
Harsh braking.
Yeah. Or like the whizzing around corners without letting me know he's turning a corner.
Oh, you don't need a heads up.
Yeah, you just need to know.
This isn't rally.
Exactly.
5 meters, corner left. Harsh. You said that you haven't driven for like 4 years, 3 years?
2018.
2018.
But I did manual lessons.
5 years
Yeah.
in a
I
manual.
ain't been that long. Nah.
Yeah, it has.
Okay, drive on.
Where are we going?
We're going to try and find problems with your driving, and then we'll pull over, chat, and fix them.
Okay.
I don't have pedals in this car.
Yeah, that's
So I
fine.
can't stop you. If I say stop, 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 just brake, get the car to a stop. And if you're about to hit something, I can do
Yeah.
that. But other than that, if we crash, we crash.
Don't say
Because I
that.
can't stop you. So,
I hope I don't.
get in the comments, guys. Give Erin some props, love, energy, and good luck for her driving test. And if you've got any tips for her, put them down there. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, stress. I'm still not used to...
So yeah, this is an automatic car. Let's stop right
Okay,
there.
hang on, the observations, yeah.
This is Aaron driving right there.
Yeah, I'm used to him. All the bad habits are coming from him.
But we're going to do driving test driving.
Okay. I'm good with the mirrors, I'm just not good with like the actual... I know fat head's in the way as
Yeah, but
well.
eyes on a car, though. Don't know what that. Big vans.
So where we're looking in your blind spot is out of the back window.
Isn't there 6 points, including the mirrors?
Not necessarily, unless the
Okay.
pavement is busy, we don't need to check on that side.
Okay.
So where you're going to check is in the mirror, what's coming down the road, wide view of the road in the left mirror, the roadside mirror, and then out of the back window of your roadside.
Okay, so I
One,
just
two,
missed that
three,
one. Okay,
signal, and then you can move.
okay. Honestly.
Nice.
We're just going straight, yeah?
Yeah, just to the end of the road. Ooh, wow. Oh, do you know why I love an Audi? This is an Audi A3. It's so nice, so smooth. Why do you drive a BMW, Aaron, when this car's at home?
Mate, big X5. Come on, bro. There's one there. Come on. Yes. Ooh. Jesus
Okay,
Christ.
People
so
are
here,
getting mad.
Erin, you're driving at 20 miles an hour on a
Yeah.
road where you can't really see the pavement. So let's bring the speed down a little bit. It's not always necessary to drive at the max speed. There's Tolworth Test Centre. Let's turn left at the end. Nice mirror check. One ahead of Aaron already. Do you check your mirror still, mate?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, I do. We'll do a lesson later. Just a quick one. Quick one in this, so I can show you I've still got it. I'm still a pro.
Who's the better driver, Erin?
Me.
I feel like it will
You
be
don't have a
me.
license. What do you mean? Who's a bad driver? Shit, you've got a license.
Whether you've got a license or not, that doesn't make a difference about who's the better driver.
I really love when people just let me out. Do you know what I
Careful
mean?
with the cyclist.
No.
You've got L plates on. They ain't letting you out. You've got L plates on.
Yeah.
It's a nice
You'll
car.
be here till next week.
We're not expecting people to let us out when we're sitting at a giveaway line because that's the incorrect priority.
Yeah.
So we're just going to wait until we've kind of gap in traffic and not hope that someone lets us out. That would be unexpected. And if you're driving, you shouldn't do the same,
Go.
letting people out when they're at a giveaway line.
I'll just shove out.
Do you? Is that what you do?
A big boy car, just shove out.
Because you've got that massive, stupidly big car. Cool.
You can do that with a big car.
So we're just going to keep heading straight down the road here. Which lane are you going to choose?
Right.
Okay, why is that?
Well, I just know Tolworth really well. I know there's like lefts here and then the
Do
road
you?
curves around to the right.
How do you
yeah.
know Tolworth really well?
I grew up here.
Nice. Whereabouts?
Literally near the Broadway.
Okay. Well, so you know this area really well. I could just tell you to drive somewhere and you'll do it. Drive to Victoria Road. Do you know how to get there? No, okay, I'll direct you.
I used to go that way up.
So the correct answer in that situation was the left lane, because we always drive in the left unless we're turning right. Or if we're going straight and the lane says left turn only, then we can go into the right lane. But in that lane, did you see the straight arrows in both?
Yeah.
Cool, so we should keep to the
Okay,
left.
so if it says you can go straight in both left.
Yeah, always the leftmost lane of the ones that you can drive in.
Going 20 is so painful, honestly.
This is Aaron talking for sure. So you can see here, there's the difference in this road between here and Douglas Road, right? The road we started on with the test centre. You're driving at 20 on this road, but on the test centre road, we had parked cars, we had pedestrians, we couldn't see the pavement, there was loads of hazard.
Yeah.
So all of those things mean that your speed needs to be lower.
Okay.
You were blasting over those speed. Imagine your examiner, elderly guy that cares about road safety a lot. He's probably got a dodgy back and a dodgy ticker. That's so much shade on. I'm definitely going to cut that out. But imagine the kind of person who your examiner is. If you're blasting over speed bumps, are they going to be impressed?
Yeah, because it makes them jolt about and they're going to be a bit more picky with you.
Got it, right, exactly. So play to your audience, give them a nice smooth drive. If it was Aaron here, he'd be like, yeah, 30, go!
He would not be going 20 right now.
Never break speed limits. That's a lie.
Do you know what it is? Give it 2 years.
Okay.
When I've been driving for 2 years, I know where, because I only got 12 points.
You can't say that on YouTube.
Okay, I didn't say that.
No.
What? Say what?
Cut. What else is really bad with Aaron's driving?
Everything. I'm joking, I'm a mate.
He's actually a good driver. He's not like actually that bad, but it's just uncomfortable, I'd say.
Is that the car or the person?
No, the car's really comfortable.
Comfortable.
The car's really comfortable, it's just him.
Okay. I tell you what, Erin, you're at a much better and higher level than I thought you were going to be. This is really good.
To be fair, this is the first time me seeing her driving.
Oh, are you impressed?
Properly, yeah. I'm genuinely not even taking the piss.
I drove on roads, but there were no cars because it was like in.
In Andover. You're from Andover, right?
Well, I don't want to say I'm from there because I don't really like it.
Andovians, mate, fuck that.
The people in Andover.
Are they? What? What's wrong with Andover?
Everything.
Horrible little place. Mate.
Really? What?
What's good about it is a better question.
Oh my God, really?
It had a Mecca bingo.
London's got Mecca bingo.
Yeah, but
exactly.
still.
Oh, I'm not going to brake too hard.
Down. Go for them lights. Go on, go.
No, it's 20 miles an hour.
Slow. Here we go. Yeah.
What do you mean? Go,
slow. But slow. That's the way I like to say it.
Aaron,
what I mean?
Aaron, you're sacked as a driving instructor.
Yeah.
Literally.
Nah, I'm a sick driving instructor. Watch.
Where are we going?
We're going to go left at the traffic lights, please. How's it going so far? You said you were super nervous. Are you feeling a bit more comfortable?
See, I'm not nervous driving. I'm just like, I think it's being filmed.
Oh, okay. Shall I turn these off?
No, it's fine.
Okay. So you were a little bit close to that BMW. I'm sure Aaron does that a lot.
He does.
You need to keep a virtual
so you
car.
Can see,
yeah, we're going left. Tyres on tarmac. Is that what you're going to say?
The woman who I did the
Lady Erin.
What?
What's the difference between a woman and a lady?
Aaron.
I feel like
literally. Well, she said as long as you can see like a little bit of a gap.
Yeah.
Then it's fine.
What?
But
what woman? Was she a driving instructor or just?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So when was this?
Last week.
You did a lesson last week?
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. This is why you can drive.
To be fair, she took me down the worst place I could think of.
How long was the lesson?
For about an hour.
So you drove for 1 hour, and
down
before
country
that,
lanes.
you haven't driven for 5 years?
Apart from in a car park.
Which we don't say on YouTube because, yeah, you didn't drive.
A private car park.
A private car park, okay.
Yeah, a private car park
We're
with
going
permission.
Straight on the roundabout, first exit. How do you deal with this?
I don't know.
Any idea, or should I talk you through it?
You don't have to indicate, do you?
So we're going to indicate left now because we're taking the next exit.
But technically you can go in there though. So wouldn't that confuse people?
Okay, well let's say we're taking the second exit then. Wow. Well done, Erin.
We're going straight over.
I was going to say, I was sitting there thinking, wait,
that was a
what?
test.
Are we going to start there?
Yeah, second exit. Oh, amazing, really good. I think on your driving test they'd call that the first exit. That exit was slightly past the roundabout. We'll talk about that in a second.
Careful at Jenny on the road.
Of who?
Jenny.
Who's Jenny?
I don't know, some random woman was walking across the road. She looked like Jenny, so she's Jenny now.
Let's slow it down here. Why are we slowing down?
Loads of people.
Loads of
Zebra
people.
crossing.
We've got the zebra crossing. So that would have been a problem. Did you see her about to cross?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you not think about stopping, or were you like, nah, I can make it?
I didn't want to like slam a brake.
Let's have another look at this one. If there's anyone around it or getting
Yeah.
closer to it, we're going to slow down in anticipation. There isn't, so we can carry on at normal speed. Let's come back up Victoria Road. This is probably the hardest road in Tolworth, right? If you know Tolworth, then this is pretty difficult. We're going to turn right at the end of the road. I bloody love this car. You said before off camera, just so I can confirm it, that we're going to swap cars, right?
No.
Well,
No, you wouldn't want an automatic, would you?
I would.
You can drive properly.
I would.
Aaron, you don't even drive.
Erin,
anymore.
shut up.
This is so good.
Love this.
Is people with an automatic license not proper drivers?
Nah, mate.
Edge forward a bit more.
Oh, careful of this one.
All right, Aaron.
No, they're going left. Oh, no, they're not. What are you
Cycling.
doing, bruv? What are you doing, bruv? Why are you indicating left? Oh, they
Right,
are. Wait,
think
what?
I'm
Oh,
fine.
yeah, shit. No, that was completely and utterly my bad. Whoopsie daisy. I didn't see that.
So see this guy here, we
Yeah.
want to slow down for him. If he
Just
doesn't
okay.
cross, no drama, but if he does, then we prepared nice, just like that.
You have to wait for him to go across the whole thing, don't you?
If it's got an island in the middle, if he's crossing away from us, then we can go.
Okay.
You're actually really good, Erin.
I know.
I hate to say it.
Love the confidence. So let's start to turn right here. And if we've got traffic coming towards us, who's got priority?
They do.
Yeah, nice. Keep going, stop in the middle. A little bit further forward, a bit further forward. So if we needed to, we'd stop here, but we don't, so we can go now.
I
Great.
failed, mate. Yeah, got one hand on the wheel. Sorry.
Oh, shut up, Aaron. You
Absolutely.
literally drove for your little finger.
Absolutely fine to drive with one hand on the
Of
wheel.
course, I know that.
Does that make sense what happened on the zebra crossing?
Yeah.
If someone's getting close to the crossing, we're going to slow down in anticipation. If they don't cross, no drama, speed up again.
Yeah.
If they do, then we've stopped and not failed our driving test, because that first one was a
Okay.
problem. Cool. Let's talk about roundabouts, because we're going to go back to it right now. If you're approaching the roundabout and you're taking the next exit, as in the first exit, we're going to signal left on approach.
Okay, yeah.
If we're turning right on the roundabout, we're going to signal right on approach. If we're not doing either of those things, then we're not going to signal on approach. Does that make sense?
Like going straight over.
If you're going straight over, yeah, and it's not the first exit, then we
Okay.
can't signal on approach.
Okay.
Cool. And then just before we leave the roundabout, signal left to show you're leaving,
Yeah.
and then you can exit.
Aaron doesn't do that.
Doesn't?
What?
No, I'm not
No.
surprised.
And then he
Well,
complains
don't
at
do
other
what?
people. Now, someone goes around the roundabout, it's like, oh, I could have pulled out, they didn't indicate, and then he does it when he comes
Yeah,
off
I've
the
got a beam,
roundabout.
but we don't have indicators.
On the roundabout, we're going to turn right. It's the third exit. So
Okay.
do we need to approach with a signal?
Yes,
Cool. Shall I leave this up to you? Do you reckon you've got this?
hopefully.
Okay, nice. Go for it. So we've just gone past the last exit before ours. What should we do now? Boom. Yes, nice. With a left mirror check as well. Just to confirm that there's no cyclists, motorbikes on your left side.
Okay.
And let's start dealing with these zebra crossings again. How are we going to safely overtake this bus that's pulling in?
Mirror
Boom.
check.
Nice mirror check. We don't need to signal because everyone else knows that we're about to overtake. Anything coming? Great. Imagine if we didn't overtake the bus. That would be pretty unexpected, right?
Yeah.
So it's quite obvious what we're doing next.
This is horrible.
Yeah,
No,
we're
actually
really
it
busy.
is.
So keep looking on the left, make sure no pedestrian's about to cross. Keep looking on the right. Is she about to cross? Are we being cautious? Okay, cool. She didn't cross. We slowed right down.
People do just run out. That just because it's a zebra crossing,
This is the
they'll
most
just walk
NPC
out.
GTA road I've ever seen
No,
in my
actually
entire
it
life.
is.
You know when you like punch a civilian in GTA and
Next
everyone
one.
just starts doing nutsness?
This one's up to you. I thought the red, did you think the red dress lady was going to
Yeah,
cross?
people always make it look like they are and then they don't. And the people who don't look like they're going to
They
just
go
walk
last
out.
minute, yeah. Let's turn right in the next road. Can we get in before the bus?
No.
Miles
Yeah, okay,
away.
yes, Aaron.
So
you.
keep pushing forward, Erin. Push forward until you can see into the road. 3, 2, 1. That's it. That's your point of turn, right there. So we end up perfectly on the correct side. Let's stop on the left in that parking space. Handbrake and neutral? Oh, not neutral. Park, because automatic.
Yeah.
That was really good. I'm massively surprised. Oh no, after you pass, you can have an automatic license.
Oh.
Shit. Oh.
You have an automatic license.
True story. What are you talking about? Sign them out, Erin.
What do you want me to say? Like, subscribe, and what?
Like, subscribe, notification bell.
Okay.
No, don't hit the notification bell. Erin doesn't want you to.
Oh my god. Just like and subscribe, honestly.
Thanks, what she said. Peace.